everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know Guy. I think you guys know Jim from previous videos. So here we are out on
Secret
Lake. And it's a beautiful day. It started off probably minus 20 C this morning. And I believe now it's probably about 10 C or so, minus 10 C. And as you can see, we have a nice little setup here. We got one little hut and we got some lines out. So we're going to give the day, I don't know, give her quite a few hours and see what we can pull out of this lake. Lake we're on today is a lake trout lake, primarily, or apparently. Never fished this lake before. Came out with Pilot Jim and he took us out here today. So we got a few lines down. I got a couple lines down. We're only allowed 2 lines here in Northern Ontario when you're ice fishing. And with 4 of the guys. So we got some good chances. So right now we're fishing, I'm fishing in about 20 feet of water on that line over there. I'm in 27 feet over here. And just really hoping for something today because I could really use a little boost after the morning we had. Well, it was a good try, Jim.
Erase that.
Got here in pretty good time this morning and noticed that one of my friends, his sleigh's missing. So we had to turn around, went back about, I don't know, good 20 kilometers, found his sleigh on the trail, believe it or not. All his equipment was in it. Made it back out here. Now I'm sucking fumes. I'm just under half a tank. I think I have enough gas to get home.
Well, he's half decent. Grab him there. Nice. Nice chunky one.
Nice. There's a nice eater, right?
Yeah. Nice Donovan.
I'd put it back if that was me.
You'd put it back?
Yeah.
Nah.
Good thing it's not him.
Put it back there. Put it back.
Hold him up.
How's that, Jimmy?
Looks nice. Beauty. Beauty. Nice chunky trout.
It's pretty.
But yeah.
Hey, Guy, could you come pick up my fish and show it to the camera for me? All right. So Guy might be a little upset right now, but I think he's going to drill a hole right next to me. So here's the first leaker of the day. Beautiful. I think that's a female because the males have the hooked nose, right?
Oh, here we go. Now he's a special.
Yeah, well, you know, You gotta be a specialist when you catch them all. You know, it's hard. It's hard being this great.
It's hard being in the top. Right?
It's so nice to see him finally catch a fish.
Right? Isn't it though?
Yeah, that's right.
Jim says usually my hand smells like net, which I don't appreciate, but it's not true. I don't think that was very funny, but actually it was pretty funny. So here we go. That's one, and we got a bunch of lines
Nice
out
fish.
still. So just need these other guys to catch something. So I got a little one here earlier. That was about the 10-foot mark, I'm guessing. There's a lot of structure. I dropped the camera down here a while ago, and there's a lot of structure under here. There's a big rock and some logs and stuff, so you can see the minnow's pretty lively. She's working there pretty hard, so I'll just sit here another, I think we're staying about another 20 minutes or so. It's already 3:42. Stay another 20 minutes and then we're gonna pack it up and head back. Well, it's been a pretty quiet fishing day. Not too much action. I pulled out 2. Everybody else pulled out nothing. So, I don't know, who's the better fisherman? I guess that would be me. So Guy, Jim, and Rob, no luck. Me, however. We made it back. It was a great day. Just a couple of fish. That's all we caught. I caught them. I want to thank Jim 1, Jim 2, Guy, and Rob for coming out. It was a great day. This is just a short video. There wasn't a whole lot of action. Just a bunch of guys sitting around a fire talking and eating our lunches and going to save a sleigh. And I don't know if you guys want to hear that story. Anyway, thank you very much, guys, for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like I said, just a short little video. And I think Ash really appreciates you guys too, right, bud? So we'll see you guys next time.